Can we do double tap to wake up the screen on Oppo A3x? So the answer is yes, we can do that. Like this, you can wake up and turn off the screen by click double tap like this. So you can enable this feature on the setting, tap on setting, and then you can select on home screen and lock screen. Tap on it and scroll until you find double tap to lock. You can enable this feature, then scroll again and you can select on double tap to wake or turn off screen. You can enable this feature, and now you can turn off the screen by double tap like this, and you can double tap to wake up the screen like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.